Hello everyone, welcome to the Great Garden channel. I don't know if you have noticed, sometimes the peace lily suddenly gets yellow leaves, wilts, or does not bloom for a long time, even though we still take care of it regularly. This makes many people think that the plant is difficult to grow and throw it away. For me, the peace lily can still become green and healthy again. This plant is very easy to care for. Bring the plant home and start taking care of it to help it recover and grow again. In this video, I will share a simple plant care method at home, using only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen, easy to find, and anyone can do it. When applied correctly and understanding the plant's needs, you will see clear changes day by day. Leaves become thicker and greener, roots grow strong, and the plant develops stably, full of vitality. If you are a beginner, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any useful plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Now let's get started. After bringing the plant home, the first thing you need to do is cut off the yellow, wilted leaves of the plant. This helps the plant not waste nutrients on parts that can no longer recover, thereby focusing on nourishing healthy leaves, stimulating new root growth, and quickly stabilizing the growth process. Next step, I will proceed to mix the fertilizer solution for the plant. The first ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains abundant starch along with some B vitamins and essential minerals, which are very beneficial for the plant's development process. Prepare a blender as shown in the video. Then add about 3 tablespoons of rice into a clean glass cup. Next, close the lid and grind it finely. Grinding finely helps completely break the hard structure of the rice grains, thereby releasing the maximum amount of starch, vitamins, and minerals inside. In powder form, these nutrients will dissolve more easily in water, creating favorable conditions for the plant's metabolism and absorption process. At the same time, the fine form also helps nourish beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium, contributing to improving the root environment. After grinding, we will obtain rice in fine powder form, like this. Next, prepare a clean glass cup. Add all the ground rice powder into it. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Then, add about 500 milliliters of warm water to mix the solution. Stir well until the rice powder completely dissolves in the water, forming a uniform mixture. Stirring thoroughly helps nutrients disperse evenly, thereby increasing absorption when used for the plant. Finally, cover and incubate the solution for 1 hour. After 1 hour, when the solution has cooled, I proceed to filter out the residue. Only keep the pure liquid. This liquid is what helps the plant recover fresh and bloom all year round. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The next ingredient I use is vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 plays an important role in stimulating root growth and restoring the plant after it has weakened. In addition, B1 also supports metabolism, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively and increase resistance against harmful factors. Add 3B1 tablets into the prepared rice solution. Next, use a spoon to stir well, so that the B1 solution completely dissolves into the rice water. This helps the nutrients distribute evenly, forming an easy-to-absorb mixture, helping the plant quickly receive nutrients through the roots, stimulating strong root development and supporting greener leaves. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have a solution to revive the peace lily. Method 1. Pour the rice water solution combined with B1 into a specialized spray bottle. Then spray evenly over the entire peace lily, focusing on both sides of the leaves and the base. This method helps nutrients quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, supporting increased chlorophyll, making leaves thicker and greener, and helping the plant grow stably. In which, rice water provides a natural starch source along with micronutrients to nourish microorganisms and support better nutrient absorption by roots. Combined with vitamin B, one helps stimulate root development, restore weak roots, and reduce stress for the plant, thereby helping the peace lily quickly become green and bloom more regularly. This helps the solution have enough time to stay on the leaf surface and gradually penetrate into leaf tissues. Thereby, the plant absorbs nutrients more effectively, limiting rapid evaporation or wash-off, helping maximize the effectiveness of the solution. Method 2. Pour the rice water solution combined with B1 into a clean container. Then place the peace lily pot into it, so the plant can absorb water slowly from the bottom. This method helps the solution evenly soak into the entire growing medium, stimulating deeper and stronger root development, while limiting waterlogging on the surface. Watering from below also helps the root system actively absorb nutrients according to its needs, increasing feeding efficiency, helping leaves stay green longer, and supporting a more stable flowering process. Next, lift the plant out of the container and let it rest in a cool place for about 15 to 20 minutes. This helps excess solution drain out. I will pour the remaining solution into an ice tray for freezing. This helps preserve nutrients longer, preventing spoilage or fermentation. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After a few days when needed, just take each cube and put it into a clean glass cup. Then, add clean water to dilute and stir well until the ice melts. After that, pour into a spray bottle and it can be used immediately, very convenient, while helping control a stable dosage for each plant care session. You can also use this solution to spray other plants in the garden. Here, I apply it to Anthurium. The solution from rice and B1 provides natural nutrients, helping increase photosynthesis, making leaves darker green and glossier. At the same time, vitamin B1 supports root stimulation, helping the plant absorb nutrients better, thereby helping Anthurium grow stably and produce longer-lasting flowers with brighter colors. Result: after applying this method, the peace lily has recovered clearly and stably. From a pot that was once wilted, with soft leaves, lacking vitality, and almost stopped growing, now the plant has become green, fresh, and full of life. The leaves show very noticeable changes: thicker, darker green, and naturally glossy. New leaves continuously grow, develop evenly, stand firm, and are less drooping than before. The leaf surface is smoother. Photosynthesis efficiency is clearly improved, helping the plant maintain long-term health. Not only that, the flowers have also revived. The flower stalks grow taller and stronger. The flowers bloom evenly with a characteristic bright white color. Especially, the flowers last longer and are less likely to wilt early, helping the plant maintain its fresh beauty. Here are some pots that I have cared for using this method, and you can completely recognize the clear differences at each stage of the plant's development. The root system develops strongly and evenly. Many new roots continuously appear with plump white color, green, healthy root tips, firmly attaching to the growing medium. The roots spread wider and grow deeper, helping the plant absorb nutrients effectively. Leaves stay green and stable over time. Yellowing, leaf burn, or leaf spots are significantly reduced. Leaves are thicker with a glossy surface, retaining natural moisture better. New leaves grow strong, less deformed, helping the plant maintain a balanced and vibrant appearance. Flowers bloom steadily, and the quality is also significantly improved. Flower stalks are strong and upright. Flowers are larger, bright white and clean. The flowering duration is longer compared to normal care methods, helping the plant maintain its fresh beauty and high aesthetic value in living spaces. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss simple and effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.